Hey everyone, this is Thomas at mgmclassiccars.com. Today I have this 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. It's gone through a full rotisserie restoration, so you can see some of the photos. Sorry about the wind here in Illinois, but it is a beautiful sunny 85-degree day. Gorgeous, gorgeous red paint all around the car. This is not your, how can I say it? This is not your backyard paint job. This paint job is about a $15,000 job, and obviously you can see in the reflection all the way down the smooth laser straight body. Beautiful, beautiful chrome all around, bezels, emblems, stainless steel trim around the windows, excellent door handles, wing windows, obviously in 1967 only. Louvers, DSS louvers on the hood. Excellent glass all around. Wipers there do function. Cooper radial TAs. 215s in the front, 225s in the rear. Excellent grille. And let me show you the engine compartment really quick. But first, look at these door jambs. This restoration was just completed. Excellent bucket seats. Excellent like new door panels, dash pad, headliner, package tray, rear seat with all the seat belts intact. Original steering wheel to the car. It's showing right now, believed to be 61,052 original miles. Yes, it functions. Yes, the fuel gauge functions. Yes, the defrost and heat do work. There's your center console here with the shifter. There's your other door panel in excellent condition. So, in the car, 2 pumps, boom, boom. Starts right up, okay? Let's check out now how it sounds. See the trunk, refer to my photos at mgmclassiccars.com. Here we are, 350 motor, power steering, front power disc brakes, Performer RPM aluminum intake, stock manifolds on a 4-barrel CFM carb. Factory is H2 on the car. Excellent core support all around. Everything looks great on this car. All new bushings on the A-arms. Under the hood is really nice and sweet. Engine sounds fantastic and does drive fantastic. Here's a list of some of the things that I'm going to take care of. Steering wheel center cap, trim is on. We got to take care of that. I got to fix the horn. AM radio is not working, and I'm going to remain that way. And I just got to tighten up the sun visors. I do my own inspections because all my buys, well, 90% of my sales are online. So I got to show you guys everything and tell you everything about the cars that I sell. I am 100% on eBay and great Google review. So we'll go for a little test drive. smooth down the road. When you hit the brakes, it stops straight as it should. Handling is really good. All the suspension, brake lines, fuel lines have been gone through. All right, so what we'll do is we'll hit the freeway to show you guys that this is set up for pro touring, long hauling, very reliable, vintage classic Camaro. Keep in mind, it's not a pro touring car. I don't want people to nitpick every little word that I say, but touring meaning, you know, expressway friendly, cross country friendly, very reliable car. Gorgeous day here in Addison, Illinois. Very nice and smooth. You buy a fully restored car so you can have the reliability of an old car. Speedo, like I said, shows a little bit over 61,000 believed to be original miles to the car. So if you need delivery, call me and text me. I prefer you guys to text me your zip code, and please include the stock number, and I'll get you a quote. If you're looking for financing, we do that too. If your credit score is between 650 and 725, call Chris at JJ Best. His number is 508-415-1035. And if your score is over 725, there's a no money down option for that. Anything over 725, go to lightstream.com. They'll put the money directly in your account in 15 minutes approval. That's how quick. With money down or with not money down. So go to lightstream.com for that. So we're located in Addison, Illinois, is where our cars are at. We do not really do any consignments. We buy our own vehicles, go through them, and tell you everything about the cars and resell them. We look for quality classic cars, QCC, okay? Quality classic cars is what I sell. We do travel the country. You know, we look at 10 cars before we buy one. So we're doing all the legwork, all the traveling, and all the expenses to get that completed. Smooth shifting automatic trans, 10-volt rear end. Great on gas mileage too. Excellent cruiser. All glass is in very good condition. once again, 1967 Chevrolet Camaro, restored, body off restoration, excellent driver, very reliable, 350, power steering, power brakes. You guys can call me or text me. Again, I prefer texts, but if not, calls are fine. My number is 847-848-1850. Once again, thank you for watching. MGMClassicCars.com.